Go down here. Okay, we will go down here. We will walk down this alley. And we will walk and get some chips. I used to work for that guy. You can see the moon up there. Some flowers on the ground. Smells like rotting flowers. Like grass. These piles of grass. But overall, it smells great. It's 9 o'clock at night right now. Can you believe that? It's July. But yeah, gonna walk and get some chips. Small town, Saskatchewan. Outlook. According to Wikipedia, it's like Outlook is a town in west central Saskatchewan, Canada, about 80 kilometers southwest of Saskatoon. It's located along the South Saskatchewan River, downstream from Gardner Dam and the Coteau Creek hydroelectric dam. That says a lot about us. We used to have a giant metal rainbow as our sign, and it I don't know, got spray painted black, and then they eventually just took it out. Now it's just like a boring sign. We came here when I was in grade like 9. Or no, it's 8. Let's go this way, Hayes. Your favorite gophers are this way. Hear a crow at the top of a tree cawing. Just hear so many horny birds this time of year. That's the water treatment plant that we skate at all the time. Because there used to be a tap at the back where you could actually drink some fresh cold water. There's the ledge up there you can kind of see. But for real, Outlook is like the town from It. Like, oh my god. Like, just terrible things happen and people just like brush it under the rug. Outlook was incorporated as a town in 1908 or 1909. Actually, it was a village in 1908. Oh, there's a history. The settlement of the area began in the early 1900s with farmers and immigrants moving into the area looking for farmland. Outlook officially started as a settlement on August 26, 1908. Hazel, come back. Please. In 1908, when the Canadian Pacific Railway commenced the auction lots. Hazel, come back, or you'll have to be on a leash. Oh, these are cool. Oh, there she is. Good girl. These are like World War I and II memorials. The bugs are starting to come out again. Yeah, as I continue on my way to get chips of some sort. She sees things, or thinks she does. I should put her on a leash, probably. You think we can cross the street? Let's cross. Come on, let's cross. Good girl. I'll just start pretending I'm holding a thermal imaging device, looking around. I don't know why that would help, but I think it will. Pretty getting dirty already. We'll venture as far as we can without a leash. But then you can't come into the store, which is kind of messed up. That's kind of racist. For real though, you know? Like that actually a different race of animal isn't allowed into a store based solely on their race. This is like an auto body shop. Can always see some messed up stuff. Different degrees of messed up. The coyote. That deckle job. as a former sticker person, I notice the sticker quality of those stickers. I don't even mean to. You're gonna have to go on a leash, buddy. Hazy. Hazy. I gotta put you on. So we're going to Main Street. Now it's getting busy. Busy for in terms of outlook. At 9 o'clock at night. This town never is really that popping, you know. Even though today was free burgers at CSIDC. Oh, here's an empty building. For rent. You know how much I love for lease stuff. And empty buildings. And it's crazy that it became so popular and that other people, like, I was so stoked when I found that that was a thing. Like abandoned videos. I watched so many. Still watch them. I let them build up a bit, so I haven't watched them all in the last like few months. But before that I had watched them all. This mural, it's been here forever. Not forever, but forever. Jackie J's espresso. Okay. Sniffer. Let's go this way. Don't walk in it. Oh, some of the stadium girls just looked at me. Look at this though, Hive store, cannabis, never actually opened. I would love to buy some weed from them, I'll tell you that, because I have to keep just driving to Saskatoon. It's better than having to drive to PA before that. Here's the printers. Here's the credit union. On the other side of the street is like the Scotiabank and an antique store and SaskTel and For Rent and another bank. And then there's a rental place, a car wash, Napa Parts, and then the convenience store we're getting to. And on this side, this block, there's a hair salon. and then 3 co-ops after that. Salon Q. Actually, pretty cool place. Pretty cool, I think. At least used to be. Never went there. But I swept up this area to gap this. Like over there. I came here like talking and like about needing a broom. Talking about needing a broom and like over there and stuff, and then just swept it up with a broom that just magically happened to be in that corner. Great story. That place looks busy. I don't know. I'm nervous about tying her up, I guess. Should tie her up way over here. Let's go this way, I guess. Wow. I'm gonna tie you up here, Chase. Just wrap this around like a psycho instead of actually tying it. Hopefully that's gonna be good. Sit down there.
world. Thank you very much. Have a good night.
Hey,
534.
and debit please.
Do you want your receipt?
Oh, no, it's okay. Thank you. Hey, I got the goods. So yeah, that was fun. Got the chips. Stood behind people getting ice cream for a long time, and he got some lottery tickets. That's a DNE experience. Like, you're never gonna be able to get in and out very quick, even if you're just getting a bag of chips. Sorry to say it. Used to like this place when I was younger, and it's still fine. At least it has these kind of like generic and like, I just want like a nothing flavored chip. So, and then sometimes you can't find those, like in Saskatoon, because nobody likes them. But so yeah, getting chips, Outlook, gonna end it. See ya.